You've probably spent way too much time trying to keep up with the stock market, strolling through endless news, trying to make sense of complex earnings reports, or even what influencers are saying online. And honestly, it's a lot to digest, even for myself. Now, what if I told you there's now an AI that can literally cut through all this mess, answer your investment questions, and even summarize those boring, long financial reports in seconds? No, it's not ChatGPT or Gemini. It's Moomoo AI. And yes, this video is made in collaboration with Moomoo Malaysia, and it's always exciting for me to be covering new investment tools that we can all benefit from, especially if it's already built into the app that we all already have. But if you haven't signed up yet, they are now offering attractive sign-up rewards for new users. Latest details in the pinned comment down below. And you can click into my link down below there and deposit with my exclusive code Z11 to get extra rewards before the campaign ends. So, what exactly is Moomoo AI? Think of it as your 24/7 personal AI investment advisor right in your pocket. Whether you are trying to make sense of all the news and articles, or just looking for some quick data validation or financial ratios, say goodbye to ChatGPT, because Moomoo AI, powered by DeepSeek, their own live trading data, and crowdsourced insights from Moomoo's massive user community means you will get fine-tuned investment answers instead. And you can easily locate it at the top search bar, or if you're on a specific stocks page, just look for a tiny AI icon at the top right-hand corner. So now let's try a few real-world questions. Will AI remain a major investment opportunity in the second half of 2025? Then I wanted to analyze from both the perspective of, let's say, industry potential and also maybe potential stocks I can invest in. So obviously, give it some time, it needs to process. Okay, you can see that you will get a very structured breakdown of industry potential stocks, and well, it even goes beyond my questions and lay down all the risks for me to consider, like how the tariff and also the US-China trade tension that is ongoing right now could disrupt all the growth. So now, let's say I want to study and dive more into all the potential stocks in detail, right? Then I'll prompt this: expand on the competition and tell me who are the likely winners among all the mega cap technology companies in the US lah. And take some time. And okay, it is giving me the mega cap stocks and highlighting all their AI strengths, like Nvidia, they are strong in holding 80% of market share in AI trading chips, and then Google, they have their very own Gemini AI and Google Cloud as well. So just because they're all AI doesn't mean they have overlapping stuff, so that's great for me to know. And I like how it's all laying out the key strengths and risks for each stock for you to consider, so this is very good over here. And before I forget, I've also prepared you a free handbook with sample prompt questions for you to ask Moomoo AI if you are totally new to researching a company. So now let's try a different question. This time I want to be a little bit more technical. So I'll ask it to summarize and analyze all the below for me on Tesla. And this is a loaded question. So as you can see, it gives me all the financial ratios in table form. And it even tells me all the different risks like tariff exposure and also the FSD approval delay. And oh, speaking about that, do you know that recently they launched their robotaxi in Austin, Texas? So let's say I want to know more about this launch. Can it translate to, say, more money or revenue? And also, what are different analysts saying, right? So tell me more about Tesla's recent robotaxi launch, how it was, how much money or market cap it can make, and tell me what analysts are commenting about it. And it's giving me the launch details, market reaction and financial impact, analyst sentiments as well, key risks, and also its outlook. So it literally covers everything within my prompt, and I can say the information over here is very useful because you get to see both sides of the coin, those that are more bullish and also those that are maybe less bullish, which is on the bearish case lah. So basically it stops you from being too one-sided or one way or another. But why not take it one step further and test its critical thinking skill? So now let's try this tricky question. Is BYD really a problem to Tesla? I know all of you are probably thinking about this, right? Especially if you're Tesla investors. So it is comparing not just the market share and sales performance, it also comes with its technology comparison, geographical and also regulatory risks, which are all various aspects that can affect the company's valuation from a more qualitative perspective. which is not the numbers side lah. And of course, at the bottom, you also have the financials of both the companies for you to look at side by side. And you can also check this out, it even links all the sources for me, so you know this isn't just some random AI or large language guess, and I can also click into it for further reading. And it's even quoting credible sources like Reuters and CNBC, and these are all paid websites, and this AI feature is just giving you all of these for free. What a steal, right? Anyways, other than the chat function, they also have the ready AI stock analysis in every stock page with no prompt or question needed, where it organizes and processes the most important and key events and trade details for that particular stock. And yes, no more opening 20 plus tabs and spending hours and hours reading the news and research. It's all done for you right over here. And this is perfect for catching up on trends that I might have missed. Sometimes life just gets in the way, right? And hey, headlines like this are all you need actually to quickly filter through noise or significant events. But of course, while I personally love this feature a lot, I just have to inform you that this function is only limited to the US and Hong Kong stocks at the moment. Hopefully it comes to Bursa Malaysia soon. And also, another limitation, the daily and weekly briefs might focus too much on key events and miss out on important announcements that the companies made. And this is where I want to introduce you to another feature that I find super helpful. You can find this feature on the stock news page and then go to announcements, and on the drop down list, let's choose earning reports. And this summary is basically a super quick rundown that covers everything I need to know as an investor, such as the changes in revenue year over year, net income, breakdown of different revenue streams based on business segments, why the revenue drop or even surge. And it also summarizes the gross margin, cash flow, and also capex. And at the very bottom of it, you can even view the full report if you want to. And this is going to be a game changer for many, especially during earnings seasons. It will save you hours of reading and you'll be able to make moves even before the news hits the headlines. Now, I know Moomoo AI is incredible, but it's part of a much larger, powerful ecosystem that makes Moomoo the real all-in-one platform, both for newbies and seasoned investors. As a seasoned investor myself, and I will sound like a broken record, one of the biggest reasons why I still day-to-day recommend Malaysians to stick to the Moomoo account is none other than its low commission fee. If you are totally new to them, Moomoo offers 180 days of zero commission trading for all new users across all markets, and after that, it's just 0.03% with a platform fee of 3 ringgit per trade for Malaysian stocks and 99 US cents per trade for US stocks. And as for the US stocks, if you trade anything less than a share, aka fractional shares, there'll be no commission, and platform fee is only capped at 99 US cents per trade. And as always, before you make your first trade, you can always park your idle cash into their money market fund, which is called the Cash Plus, where it earns you around 4% return per annum, and every single day counts. So don't just let your money sit there and do nothing. Just earn that free money. But if your mind are totally blank and have no idea where to begin, you can start with their institutional tracking feature, where it lets you pick at what big players like Berkshire Hathaway are buying, which is basically run by Warren Buffett. Not to follow blindly, but it can be a great place for you to pick up new ideas, especially if you're into value investing. And another feature that I think might be very helpful for you guys is the Insights feature that I recently just found out under the Discover tab. It's a little bit hidden, but this feature can help you to explore new areas that are not familiar to you, and you can tap on trends like how Middle East escalation is affecting oil and gold related stocks, and how Nvidia's AI boom will benefit these stocks that are closely tied to it. And it's especially helpful if you want to process big picture macro events into industry or even stock pick ideas, and then to tap into hot opportunities faster than the others, and the possibilities are endless over here. So all in all, Moomoo AI has really raised the bar for stockbrokers in Malaysia. Take advantage of it to improve your personal investment knowledge, because a great tool in the right hands can generate outstanding results in today's day and age. Of course, the usual warning applies. AI in general are not 100% perfect. Always double check their answers, as some sources might include less credible blogs or even comments. Well, there's always room for improvement, but this tool is already, in my opinion, a massive time saver. In the meantime, if you haven't signed up yet, they are now giving away lots of cash coupons and free shares like Nvidia and Gamuda share, and you can even deposit using my exclusive code Z11 to get extra rewards before the campaign ends. Good luck.